Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. This will be the first video in a series on decentralizing and synchronizing our experience on the internet. So as you can see, I'm showing a whole bunch of social networks and chat applications. There are so many out there, and my experience has been that it's just way too cluttered. Many of them are also centralized services that will data mine your data and sell it to advertising companies. So what I've done is some research on how to get away from these centralized services, and in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how to install some simple applications and get yourself off the centralized servers. So the first thing that we need is the Beaker browser. Now Beaker is a very new project. They only launched last year, but it is a fantastic browser that allows you to view all your normal HTTP content, like all your normal websites. You can browse exactly in the same way as you do with Google Chrome or Firefox. But in addition, it also allows you to view DAT files. Now, I'm not going to discuss what that is, but it is a peer-to-peer protocol. There are lots of other resources, and there's a much better talk that I will leave a link to. Now, here we have our dat browser or Beaker browser installed. And as you can see, I have all my bookmarks set up. That's the home page. And the first place we will go to is our Protonmail. Now, Protonmail is an open source mail client. They're based in Switzerland, and you can send encrypted emails from your client to anyone that you have an email address for. And the setup is fairly easy. Like I said, they are open source, and you can go on to GitHub and take a look at the source code and fork their project or support them. When you create an account, you do not need any other email accounts. You can just start one from scratch. So now I'll be creating an email address that I will be using for all my future videos. And there it just says that I won't be able to get anything back. I cannot recover if I forget my password. So we're attempting to create an identity that is not linked to any previous social media identities. So we're just starting something from scratch. Verify that we're not a robot. And there we go. It's setting up our new email address. And in my next videos, I will show you exactly how to use Protonmail and how to create password protected emails and encrypted emails. But for now, we'll just go ahead and create a social media profile. For this, I'm going to head over to the Diaspora website. Now be sure to go to Diaspora Project and not the Join Diaspora. That is one of their pods. And I will make another video explaining exactly how Diaspora works. So the easiest is just go to their wizards and select Auto Pick Pod, and it will select the best pod based on your region and how many users there are. We can use our email address that we just created with Protonmail. And you have to type in the correct passphrase. Now Diaspora, I'll give a quick overview. They are distributed into pods that are all around the world. Different pods have some different features. Some allow you to link to Twitter, Tumblr, WordPress, Some have their own restrictions and limitations, but they all connect to the same diaspora user database. So you can still connect to any other diaspora users, even though they will be part of a different pod. And there we have it. In 3 easy steps, we've now created a way to be decentralized and stay away from the commercialized social media sites. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next videos.